Free radical damage is one of the major contributors to disease processes in the human body. In order to understand the importance of how one can help alleviate free radical damage, it is necessary to understand the pathological process by which free radical damage occurs. A free radical is produced when an electron on an oxygen molecule is lost, as you will see in this illustration. This electron-depleted oxygen is now in an unstable state, and it tries to become stable again by latching onto one of our body's cells. And by doing so, that cell becomes damaged by the free radical attack. This process is called oxidation. While you can't see the resultant oxidative damage inside of your body, you can get an idea of how oxidation works by slicing an apple open and leaving it exposed to the air. The process of the apple turning yellow is oxidation. If you see rust damage on a car, that damage has occurred due to the same process, oxidation. When an excessive amount of oxidative damage occurs, the organs attacked by free radicals are more prone to disease. The immune system is responsible for removing the damaged cells that free radicals produce. However, an immune system that is already stressed and operating at its maximum efficiency will finally defer from its role of removing damaged and dead cells. And the downward spiral into illness, both acute and chronic, will occur, as seen in this diagram. As you'll see, continuous excessive demand on the immune system, such as that caused by free radical cellular damage, leads to the deferral of cellular and tissue repair. Chronic deferral of routine repairs leads to disruption within cells, and that cell damage makes it harder for the immune system to function effectively, which allows toxins to accumulate and add even more stress to an already overburdened immune system. More and more repairs are deferred. More and more immune system resources are used up, and finally, with all of these disruptions, we have serious problems at the tissue level, and we have immune system dysfunction, and we have the potential for serious illness. There are two ways to approach the damage that free radicals cause that can result in illness. First, an immune system stimulant containing transfer factors can be consumed, so that our immune system will have an increased ability and capacity to remove those damaged and dead cells that have resulted from the attack by free radicals. Transfer factors are extremely small molecules that have the ability to educate and stimulate the immune system. They are produced by all animals, including humans, in order for the mother to be able to literally transfer her immune system knowledge to her newborn. It is only within the last 15 years that it was discovered how to produce transfer factors and how beneficial they can be in giving our immune system, our natural defense, the maximal ability to protect us from disease. Independent laboratory analyses have shown that transfer factors can increase the immune response of our body's natural killer cells by 204 to 437%. Secondly, molecules called antioxidants can be consumed safely and effectively in order to bind with or neutralize free radicals so that they will not attack our own healthy cells in their attempt to reach stability. Where do free radicals in our bodies come from? Unfortunately, from just about everywhere. Free radicals are formed by exposure to tobacco smoke, alcohol, air pollution, sunlight, pesticides, drugs, a high-fat diet, fried foods, even exercise. Fortunately, nature has provided us with free radical destroyers in the form of antioxidants from many sources, primarily from certain fruits and vegetables. Lab testing has been able to determine the antioxidant content of any food source, and in doing so has allowed us to pinpoint the foods with the highest antioxidant content. You've probably heard of the benefits of eating a diet high in antioxidant-rich foods. Researchers, nutritionists, and those persons interested in living a healthy lifestyle agree that including antioxidant-rich foods in our diets gives our bodies a weapon in the fight against the constant threat of free radical damage. And nature has given us a clue as to how to identify antioxidants in foods simply by looking at them. Generally speaking, fruits and vegetables with deep, vibrant colors have a high antioxidant content. In fact, it is the antioxidants in these foods that produce the dark reds, blues, blacks, and purples that color them. The protective qualities of antioxidants are well known in medical literature. For example, an April 2005 study in the Neurobiology of Aging journal states, dietary supplementation with antioxidant-rich foods can decrease the level of oxidative stress in brain regions and can ameliorate age-related deficits in neuronal and behavioral functions. Let's take a look at some of the highest antioxidant-containing food sources. Notice the deep blue color of these blueberries. This coloration indicates a high antioxidant content. And from testing, we know that blueberries rank at or near the top of any listing of antioxidant-rich foods. A study in the Journal of Agricultural Food Chemistry in September of 2005 states the blueberry intake may reduce colon cancer risk by inhibiting cancer cell proliferation. Another study in the Journal of Biomedicine and Biotechnology in 2004 noted that blueberry extracts showed potent anti-free radical activities. Elderberries are another good example. They contain powerful flavonoid antioxidants. Flavonoids act as protection from ultraviolet light in plants. In our bodies, they serve as powerful free radical scavengers. In addition, certain compounds in elderberries have been shown to be antiviral and antibacterial in nature. For example, a study in October 2004 in the Molecular and Cellular Biochemistry Journal noted that elderberry extract significantly inhibited the growth of the Heliobacter pylori bacterium. Pomegranates also contain powerful antioxidants. Notice the deep red color of the pomegranates pictured here. The potent antioxidant and anti-atherosclerotic activities of the pomegranate are attributed to its high polyphenol content. A 2004 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated a 30% reduction in arterial plaque in test subjects that ate a diet high in pomegranates. Purple grapes are known for containing an antioxidant called resveratrol. Resveratrol is an antioxidant that is widely studied today. In fact, many researchers credit resveratrol with being the key ingredient in what is known as the French paradox. Simply stated, the French paradox refers to the lower rate of lifestyle-related diseases, like heart attacks and strokes, that occur in the French population when compared to other countries that have similar diets. Scientists point to the consumption of red wine in France as being a reason for this. It is not the alcohol of the wine that provides this protection, but the antioxidant resveratrol in the purple grapes that accounts for this phenomenon. Then there is the acai berry. Found in Brazil, the acai is a fruit that is just now receiving worldwide attention, and deservedly so. Acai berries contain huge amounts of anthocyanins, another powerful class of protective antioxidants. Acai berries also contain EFAs, or essential fatty acids, which are known for their health-promoting abilities. The essential fatty acids content of the acai berry is very similar to that found in olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which is one of the most healthy diets found anywhere in the world. Phytoesterols are yet another compound of acai, and these compounds are known to promote healthy blood cholesterol levels. But the acai berry is not finished there. It contains fiber, protein, and a host of vitamins and trace minerals such as vitamin B, C, and E, potassium, calcium, and many more. It is no wonder that the acai berry is referred to by many as a superfood for all of the health components that are found within it. Lastly, another powerful weapon in the fight against free radical damage and the desire to live a healthy life is a molecule called lactoferrin. Found in breast milk, the list of benefits of lactoferrin is long indeed. Studies on this amazing molecule show it to be antiviral, antibacterial, antiparasitic, antifungal, an anti-inflammatory, and an antioxidant. It also possesses the ability to upregulate our body's natural killer cells, giving us yet another way to protect ourselves and another reason to include lactoferrin in our diets. An article published in the journal Peptides in June 2005 demonstrated that lactoferrin killed all 6 bacterial strains included in the study, while showing no toxic side effects. Whether you incorporate them from your diet or from supplementation, transfer factors and antioxidants are essential tools that we can use to help protect us from the constant bombardment of free radicals and pathogens that inhabit our world. Fortunately, nature has provided us with many powerful tools to allow our bodies to fight back.